This is Travis Wayne Goodsell, and I just learned today of some disturbing news. You guys who've been watching my videos, who've been going to my website, who've been reading my books. You're familiar with my life story on what happened to me and why I'm where I'm at now and why I'm in the position I'm at now. Kidnapping, by definition, is illegally taking someone and oftentimes asking for ransom. So our economy, as I've done a video for, is ransom economy, because people specifically make products that fail and require that we pay for new products or for new parts or for maintenance guys to fix the problem or replace the part. And so in a foreign country or here in the United States, when somebody kidnaps children or persons on vacation, they ask for ransom from the parents or loved ones, and they have to send the money through whatever means to get it back, and that's the kidnapping process. And so you'd think that in a marriage situation where there's a father and a mother still married under the law because they have a legal wedding certificate, degree, or whatever, and so you'd think that therefore a parent, either the mother or the father, is therefore not legally allowed to take children away from the other spouse and go off to a different country altogether as well, because that would be illegal. The marriage is a legal document, and so for a spouse to take away children from the person who's in that legal document, you'd think that that would be a kidnapping or abduction scenario, because it's an illegal taking of children from a parent who's in a legal document marriage. Not the case, or at least with the FBI agent and the police officer that I talked with today. And the FBI agent hung up on me after telling me mothers have the right to take their children away and go to another country. Click. Police officer. He tried all these justifications. Oh yeah, I could take my kids to Paris and, screw the wife. He did not understand the concept that you don't twist the laws to commit crime. The other spouse is the victim. The children become victims because they're separated from their other parent. Just like at the border with the immigrant children. They're traumatized for life. They're scarred. They believe their parents hate them when it was the government separating them. That's what my son Clayton wrote when he was just 3 years old. He said, "Dear Dad, I hate you. You don't write me." He wasn't getting my letters. He was being traumatized by his mother. How can all that be legal? How can there not be a law against that kind of abuse to not only the spouse but to the children? And I've been told there's no recourse. I can't petition for a redress of grievances because no law's been broken. It's just unbelievable. You don't twist the Constitution. You don't make laws that allow criminal behavior. That's why I keep pushing. No, we cannot have religious liberties over all other rights. The LDS Church is wrong to interfere with gay rights in California. They're wrong to push for religious rights over all other rights. It's a no-brainer. And it's just unbelievable. And so I have no recourse. After 20 years, I've lost my kids, and I can't seek justice against those who plotted against me to take my kids away from me. Because it wasn't just their mother. Their mother likes to play martyr and justify her actions by getting others' approval. And everybody runs to the mother. So it's just unbelievable. So, yeah, I mean, I was arguing with the police officer about civil rights. The Constitution already guaranteed equal rights to women, to blacks, and yet we've twisted the Constitution so badly that it was necessary that amendments were put in to give women equality and blacks equality. It's just a shame when you look at the amendments. You know, an amendment to stop slavery, amendment for black rights, amendment for women's rights, and then the humiliation of the prohibition amendment, and then soon after the repeal of prohibition. What a humiliation. You know, it's all for wickedness, all for crime. That's all they twist the Constitution for. This is not a difficult document. It does not require a lawyer to interpret it. You shouldn't have to go to court. People should just know you can't do that. So, yeah, that's my day today. I'm having a wonderful day. And it's Friday, so that means we're going to have some kind of a Friday night news drop in the evening time. So, yippee-ki-yay.